Hello.
Hello. Hi, nice to meet you. How are you?
Yes, my name is Sagar. Where are you from, Peter?
I cannot hear you. Sound
Yes, because
is
yes,
really
yes,
bad.
your sound is also cracking.
So, you hear me?
No, no, please remove your headphone. Please remove your headphone. Hello, please remove your
No,
headphone.
I have no problem with my headphones.
Hello.
Um, if you can hear me, okay, I'm going to refresh the page. Much better.
Hello.
Saga, is that okay? Can you speak now?
Yes, 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 yes.
My head? No. My problem
Yes,
is
yes.
not the problem is not this. The problem is not this. I've had more classes in the past, more today, and there's been no problems at all. Yeah?
Okay, okay, but okay, just forget about something network issue, I think.
Now it's a little better. Right? It's just that sound is horrible. It's really impossible sometimes. We can try. Okay? So anyway, I'm Peter. Nice to meet you. The problem is not this. The problem is not my headphones. I've had no problems in
Okay.
all my classes today. No problems at all. Where are you contacting me, Saga? Because what, from India?
I am from, yes, yes, I am from India and the western part of the Maharashtra. Where are you from?
I'm from England. I am. Yeah, I'm from the northwest of England, not far from Liverpool, Manchester, this area, more or less. Okay. And I don't know
Okay.
much about India. I mean, is this your first time on Cambly?
No, no, I have been using Cambly 3, 4 months is also, but what happened that I have not get free time, but that's why I'm to make a very few conversations.
Yeah, yeah. So why are you learning English then? Because I mean, obviously you've been practicing.
Yes, yes, because the English is the global language that all over that world use in that English, and for our ideas and our opinions, so many things to express for the medium of the English. That's why I have
Yeah.
used for English and learn to
Right.
English.
Okay, so it is very important for you. A quick question: are you a student or do you work?
I work because I teach chemistry subject in here private school. That's why I am too busy. That's why I'm to make a very small conversations
So,
people.
so are you a teacher
Yes, yes,
and you teach IT?
yes, yes. I teach chemistry subject.
Yeah, I would say this was my impression when you said, "Oh, about my headphones," and the headphones were not the issue. I have students who have problems with their headphones. Okay, but I was like, "Oh, then you must know something." Yeah. So, like I
Yes,
said, basically with me today, you're looking for free talk. Is that because it's a short lesson? Is this what you're looking for?
yes, yes. It's for to meeting for stranger persons, to opinions, to sharing for the others thing, and for the this is to medium for is also practicing happening mostly on English. That's why
Hmm.
I have to join here.
Yeah. So if I understand right, you said that you work in chemistry or you work in technology.
Not technology, not I teach chemistry.
You teach chemistry. How many years have you been
Yes.
teaching chemistry?
It is not going to most happening 2 more years, just 1 years to complete it in 2, 3 months after that. And because the last year, ending of the last year, I have to join in here because